Hello everybody. Today we're going to be going over module 2 after the module 1 that we had previously. So yeah, let's get started. So this module is basically all about the scientific method. Now you can pause the video if you want to fill out the blanks. So I'll give you some time to do that. So finished? So I'll reveal the answers. So the first step is to make an observation or a question. This is really important because if there wasn't this, then there would be no point in the scientific method. So for example, you can think of like, I observed that the light doesn't, when I turn off the light bulb, there is no light or something like that. So then you do your research about this question. So you just search up on the web and take some notes. This is also really simple. However, it is really important because after this is the hypothesis. Hypothesis is what you think about the question. After you've done your research, you have to make an educated guess about what you think is the answer to this question. Now, it might not be correct, but it has to be educated because you've done your research before. So you should know a few things about the background information about this question, so you can make a guess about what you think. The fourth step is the experiment. This is another really important part, and it's arguably the most fun too, because you'll get to actually prove that your question is correct. You'll have to buy a few things maybe, and then but this experiment has to prove that your observation is correct. It may not be correct, or it's correct. So you need to prove the answer to the question. Finally is the conclusion. This is basically drawing everything together and wrapping everything up, doing the basics of just wrapping everything up and summarizing the whole things that you've done. So yeah. So our final activity is we're going to find out which ones is correct, which chart is correct. So if you don't remember, so it's observation and question, research, hypothesis, experiment, data and analysis, and conclusion. So you can pause the video if you want to try this. So okay then. So the truth is that the left one is correct. This one is correct. Let's review both of them. First one is same. They're the same question actually. Why are spicy instant noodles good? Don't mind the question. This is a really good question if you're interested in instant noodles and stuff. So you can search on the web and find some random info. Though I doubt that you will find any info. So then you can. This is your hypothesis. I think that instant noodles are good because of the spice. This is an okay hypothesis, but the fourth one needs to prove that the hypothesis is either correct or incorrect. So the experiment, you can do this in multiple ways, but I chose to get 2 packs of instant noodles, one with a lot of spice and one without. And the data is that I see that the one with the spices is arguably tastier, and instant noodles are good because of the spice. That's the conclusion. So now let's go to the incorrect one, aka the right one. So this one, we have the same question. So searching on the web and finding random images of instant noodles is technically not researching. So, and instant noodles are good because I eat them every day. That doesn't really prove anything. And when you lounge around and do nothing, that really isn't an experiment. And if you say that they're both tasty for your data and results, you need to say that one is better because if you say both of them, then it's technically not correct, and this conclusion is incorrect either. So that wraps it up. Bye.